I'm just enjoying that bird song right now. Well, we're here on our first full day at camp, and we're down here in the lower meadow taking a look at our apple trees. So here's you can see the height of it next to Sir Jeffrey there. And it's still early. A lot of the trees aren't leafed out yet, but there's some buds here. Looks like some maybe deer nibbles there. So we're hoping things will be okay, but that's why they've got this thing on here to protect. But let's go check out the other one. Ooh, there's a lot of briary patchy things down here. There's all over the place these beautiful green and kind of brown leaves, and then some of them have these beautiful flowers on them, and they're just all over the entire property. We just took a whole walk around, and they're really pretty. It's neat to see what comes out and what leaves out at different times. So how does this one look?
Look down in there how the branches are coming out.
Ooh.
I'm thinking that this and this, they look like somebody's been biting them off.
Oh dear.
But then get higher up, not so much. They can't reach
Yeah.
them if they don't want to.
Well, hopefully the deer will allow our apple trees to grow. Up here is the cabin and the camper and the outhouse a little farther back, but we still have some work to do in this meadow.
Yeah, this and that.
Mm-hmm.
Big ones. Keep it all, take it down lower and lower and lower till it's all just a bunch of sticks and logs.
So one thing we're trying to figure out what to do is where to plant our 5 raspberry bushes. And they're supposed to have full sun, but some protection. And if the apple trees are down here, I'm wondering if we should put it like in that space right behind this big tree stump. If we clear that out a little bit right here. What do you think?
Yeah, that's a nice little space.
Yeah. Today is Sunday, and on Friday we're picking up all of our plants, and the kids are coming, and actually our neighbor's coming, and he might have a friend, and we're all going to have shovels. So we're going to have a community planting party, but we got to figure out where we want them and do a little prep work, and so we'll see. Another thing we noticed is all these trees with these beautiful white leaves that we didn't see when we left here in the fall.
Look like they are dead leaves from last year that hang
That
on
turn,
through the winter.
yeah, that they don't
Turn
let
white.
go.
Maybe
Like
they
right
get
over
popped
here, you
out
can
when the
see
new leaves come.
they look like cotton. We just had a beautiful, beautiful walk. It's so peaceful here. And we're definitely feeling like we need to get back in shape for North Country. Okay.